For the Olympics this year, Apple decided to make a run of limited edition Apple Watch bands for multiple countries for people to buy in support of their country, or whatever they like the most too. Because of the limited run, plus its design, I decided to buy one as well, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at the box, packaging, and the band itself, and hopefully help you guys decide if you should get one as well. The Olympic Apple Watch bands come in 22 different configurations depending on what country you'd like. The unfortunate part of this is that you can't buy a different country's band in stores, so you have to order those online. Also, it seems like a lot of stores don't have the band, so online might be the only way to get it for most people. I have the US band here, and if we take a closer look at the box, it actually has a gold Apple Watch logo on the top. This is different from every Apple Watch band I've had, as I'm guessing it's because they're running a limited number of these bands. You can also see some writing here, it's mostly telling you about the bands, and one thing to mention is that every Olympic sport band is going to be a sport loop. So it's this nylon fabric material with the Velcro attached to it. Okay, so opening it up, you can see that it tells you how to insert the band like every other Apple Watch band, and also new here at the bottom is a little app clip that allows you to scan it and download a special watch face for the band to match. If you're curious, there's also this download page on Apple's website that allows you to download the face, even without the band, so I'll put that in the description for anyone who'd like to use that watch face too. The band itself is white and blue with a red outer edge that goes along the sides. It's a really nice look and quite unique from previous bands, which tend to keep one main color on the nylon, the exception being the 2019 Pride band. Overall, it feels great and is soft and breathable like you'd expect. I think you could match this band with any color Apple Watch and it'll be fine, although I do think that it does look best with the silver or space gray configurations. Also, the bands do retail for $49 each, and if you are interested in purchasing one of these, I'm not sure if you can with bands, but Apple does have an education discount for some items, which is about 5% off, and they also do military discounts if you didn't know, but you do have to sign up online. It's about 10% off anything on their website, just something for you guys to keep in mind. That's going to be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and if you liked what you saw, leave a like while you're at it. So let me know what you guys think of the United States Olympic sport band that they released, and all the sport bands altogether. I really like the new designs that they put out this year, and hope you guys do too. Alright, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.